Well, it's me again. The same day kasi I feel bad na nakapag-skip ako ng isang araw. Kaya double post tayo ngayon. And I've read this Substack post or postcard. Hindi ko siya na-save kasi alam ko wala siya yung parang banner na parang post lang siya ng parang kung ano yung thoughts ng author. But yeah, it mainly revolves around yung idea na yung permanence ng buhay natin. Wala tayong permanence sa buhay. Ang buhay natin is not permanent. Like, we're not immortal. We won't be here for an eternity. But we're existing in a specific span of time, specific span of history. You're binigyan ka ng I guess let's say 70 years, 60 years if lucky naman, 60 years even 50 years, diba? And within those years, sa buong span ng buhay mo, like, anong gagawin mo? What do you mean by anong gagawin mo? Like, would you spend that life, that time chickening out sa mga bagay na you really want? Like, yun nga, parang sa conformity na rin parang babalik ka sa aspect ng not conformity but comfort, and not nasasanay sa comfort and not be uncomfortable. You need to risk out some things in life in order to achieve them. Parang sa small speck ng time that we have, but pangunahan mo pa? Bakit hayaan mong pangunahan ka ng takot na mag-fail sa mga bagay-bagay na hindi ma-experience ng ganito kasi sinabi ng ganito, may sasabihin ng tao sa akin ng ganito. Those kind of things, like i-maximize natin ang pagkakataon na binigay sa atin ng universe to the life that we have now, that we currently have. Imagine the things na kaya nating gawin if you dedicate your life into living and not living just in your head na sana ganito na ginawa ko na ganito. No, you have the time, you have a lot of time to do things na nagmamatter sa'yo. And within those things na gusto nating gawin, gusto mong gawin, gusto kong gawin, is maximize those, and preferably always be aware of what happens within you, within your environment. And yung nasabi din yun na yung permanence is not, nakalimutan ko yung term na sinabi, basta hindi important, but yun yung purpose, yung main purpose, yun yung reason, yun yung mismong point. Yung mismong point ng lahat ng to is we won't get to live for 100, 500 years. You need to live live right now. Maximize yung buhay na meron ka, and I guess figure out kung anong nagpapasaya sa'yo. Figure out kung anong worth it sa'yo, dahil yun ang important. Within this span ng buhay natin, dapat makilala natin sarili natin and make sure na hindi natin pagsisisihan itong buhay natin.